Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. um this 2020, this is my first video this 2020, so let's make this video go viral. Let's make my channel go viral this 2020. All right, just subscribe to your girl, it's free, that's all. All right folks, today I'll be making shrimp with lobster sauce. Yes, this dish you can use fried rice. You can use it to serve white rice, noodles, whatever is your heart desire. But this is what I'll be using. Egg. I already cracked these right here. These are garlic, chopped already. These are ginger, carrots sliced already, and these are green onions. Right here, the white part and the green part. I separate them because I'm going to use this first, and I'm going to use this last to garnish the dish. And then this is shrimp right here we're going to be using, already washed and ready to go. Oil, cornstarch, already mixed it up, ready to go as well. White pepper sauce, no, white pepper powder, that's what this is. And this is Chinese cooking wine. It's called Shanshang cooking wine. It's really good. And of course sesame oil. Okay, all right, so, and then egg, of course. So let's begin. First thing you do, you heat up the pan. Get the pan, heat up, hot. First thing you do, the first thing I'm really gonna do is I'm going to pre-cook the shrimp. Just fry it just a little bit. Add just a little bit of oil, just a little bit. This dish is so delicious, so try it. It's really easy and simple to make. Now the shrimp, I have to pre-cook the shrimp, pre-fry it really for 2 minutes. So this is done now. We're going to set this aside. What I forgot to tell you is that I'm also going to use this Maggi cube. This is in place of chicken stock. If you don't have a chicken stock, you can use this. It's flavor. So now the next thing we're going to do, add a little oil. We're going to add the garlic and the ginger. Smells delicious in here. Now we're going to add the white part of the green onions. Just the white part only. We're going to fry that along with the garlic and the ginger. Next thing we do, we're going to add the carrots. How pretty that is. At this time, I will add my Chinese cooking wine. Just a little bit, tablespoon out of it. Just a little. I'm going to add water. I'm going to let that cook a little bit. I'll say about 2 minutes. Okay, at this time, also forgot to tell you, I also like to add just a little hint of soy sauce. I like to get all the flavors. A tip, just a tablespoon of soy sauce. Now, I will be adding my Maggi cube. If you have chicken stock, you can use it, but I prefer to use Maggi cube. This time, I'm going to go ahead and just add extra, just for extra flavor, peas. I should have just used only peas alone since I already had a carrot anyway, but it's fine. More veggies, not so bad. Better for you anyway. And me. At this time, I'm going to go ahead and add my white pepper powder. White pepper powder. Go ahead and add that. All this stuff you can find in any Chinese grocery stores has all of these things. All of these. Just look for Chinese white pepper. All that you can find in Chinese grocery area. So at this time, I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp, which I already cooked earlier for 2 minutes. I'll go ahead and add that in there. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt, just to your taste. Just to your taste, remember. A bit of salt. This time, we add the egg. All we need is just a white part of it. That's all we need. Make sure you beat it. Beat it real well. Then we'll start to spread it around. Put it all over the plate, not just one section. Then turn it around slowly. Slowly. At this time, we're going to add black pepper. Now, we will add our cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Now it is starting to look like lobster sauce indeed. Guys, try this. You will love it. Finally, we'll add the final green onions. That's for garnishing. We'll add that in. And then, last but not least, we're going to add sesame oil to give it that extra kick flavor. Just a little bit. Okay guys, there it is. Shrimp with lobster sauce. Okay, it's something you can make at home, so you don't have to go to a Chinese restaurant all the time, you know. This is very, very simple and easy. Oh my god, this is good. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me grow this channel this 2020. Alright? Help your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye.